Hello and welcome to OBS Set Up and Stream, your easy guide to OBS Studio for crafters. I'm Anthony Minnis from Mixed Media Arts and Crafts, and I'm here to introduce a brand new series of videos for OBS Studio. OBS Studio is a fully featured piece of software which is absolutely free and is designed to be used by streamers. In this series of video tutorials, you'll learn to easily use OBS Studio in your live streaming. If you like the content of this video, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications button to be notified of all brand new content that I upload to my YouTube channel. So with crafters in mind, you'll learn how to download and install OBS Studio, set up the user interface, install plugins, learn how to use hotkeys, add a second camera to your stream, add image overlays, create a countdown timer, add text overlays, set up for streaming, and so much more. Your easy guide to OBS Studio for crafters. All of the videos in this series are easy to follow, step by step, bite-sized tutorials, designed for a crafter's setup. So if you're a crafter and want to stream using OBS Studio, you've come to the right place. OBS Set Up and Stream, your easy guide to OBS Studio for crafters.